Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. I hope you're having a great morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my channel and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading the comments. Today, I want to talk about another gem that I have found in the game of crypto, and it is PancakeTools. If you guys know my channel, if you know me, you know I am all about my cake. Cake has changed my life. A lot of people are still downplaying Cake. A lot of people think Binance Smart Chain is like a keychain you can buy in an airport lobby. Something that you're just going to grab for a little while and then toss to the wayside. I don't think so. Pancake V2 is coming, and it's coming strong. We're going to see a big move for Cake. So today, I want to talk about a new coin that I just found after doing another deep dive. And yes, I did put my money into this coin about 2 days ago. I told all my Patreons the second I bought it, and we're already up 3x on our money. We got into this coin at 0.04, and I told my Patreons the second I got in. It is called PancakeTools, TCAKE. Let me break down what PancakeTools is, why I like it, and why I think you might want to have it in your portfolio. Now again, as I say in all of my videos, none of this content is financial advice. This is all for speculative purposes only. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence. With that being said, I will tell you I do not have a financial advisor, and I take my own money into my own hands, and I get my hands deep into these low cap gems. So if you all know me and been following my channel, you know I love Cake. Cake has changed my life. I was on Cake at 60 cents, and the Binance Smart Chain has rewarded me so much since I've believed in it. Now I knew with a coin with the word cake in it would probably be hot. But once I researched what it was, I was doubly impressed. The new coin I'm talking about here is PancakeTools. That's right, PancakeTools. I bought it 2 nights ago. I told everyone in my VIP package Patreon exactly when I bought it, exactly how much I paid for it, and exactly how much of my USD I used to buy PancakeTools. And if you look at the price, we got in at 0.04. We've already done a 3.25x on this coin. It actually hit 16 earlier today. We had done a 4x. Came down a little bit with the whole market pulling back, but this thing is ready to roar. And I'm going to show you on the chart, if you stay tuned towards the end of the video, where I think the best place to get in to the project is. Number one, it has the name Pancake in it. That's something that you should take into account right off the bat. Some things are that simple. But let's go to the website, number one, PancakeTools.com. TCAKE available now on PancakeSwap. Now, if you want to buy PancakeSwap, just hit the link right here, buy now. It'll take you to PancakeSwap exchange, fill in all the stuff for you. Hit this, hit understand, connect your MetaMask wallet, and you are in like so. Hit the maximum amount of BNB you want, hit swap, confirm the swap, and you are good to go. I've already done that. I'm not buying any more TCAKE at the moment, but you know what? I actually might. But their website is just great. Data analysis, strategy, pairs and pools. This thing is clean. When you start looking at it, you realize that PancakeTools is going to be a platform that we're all going to use to help us use the Pancake ecosystem. There will be a standard subscription that will be free with real-time data, Pool Explorer, Pair Explorer, 6 favorite pairs, desktop price alerts, stablecoin pairs, and token-to-token pairs. But the VIP, which will be $50 a month, will be real-time data and charts, Pool Explorer, Pair Explorer, no limit favorite pairs, desktop mail price alerts, no advertisements, stablecoin pairs, and token-to-token pairs. This thing's going to be pretty cool, man. I really like what I'm seeing for this. Another thing I love about it is it has a total supply of 200 million. A lot of coins are way above that. That's actually a pretty small supply compared to a lot of the other coins that we see out here in the game. Now, when you go to CoinGecko, they don't give you the market cap. So what I like to do is I go to bscscan.com, I throw in the Cake tools here in the search bar, and it gives me a little more information. Shows me how many people are buying it. Look, 7 seconds ago, 13 seconds ago, 19 seconds. People are buying this thing up faster than fast, and they're showing you how much they're buying. This guy just bought 26,000. That's a nice big bag. The last few seconds, this thing has been getting bought up like hotcakes. Now here you can see the market cap at $25 million. I mean, that is the sweet spot, guys. It's substantial because it's above the 10 million, but it's starting to grow. And we've seen Cake went to $1 billion market cap, right? If this gets to 100 million, that's a 4x. If it gets to $1 billion, that is a 40x on this coin. And at 40x from where it's at right now, at 13 cents, if we do that math right there, 13 times 40, that's a $5.20 pancake tool. So 13 cents, I think this thing is a steal. It has a use case. People are going to use it the second it comes out. Now, it's not coming out yet. That's something also. It's not going to be out till May 20th, something around then. That's the date I see this coming out. May 20th is the day they say it comes out. You can see the platform here, and they're going to show you what it's going to look like. It's going to have a great chart like this, so you can see the charts on the coins. You're going to be able to chart them. It's going to give you the total liquidity, the total daily volume. It's also going to show you how many holders hold the coin and more. I like the setup of this. I really do. I think it looks beautiful. And you're going to be able to go through all this, see your subscriptions. I'm loving everything I'm seeing about this. Wow, that public sale was just March 26th, and I'm so happy that I jumped on it and told my lifers about it as fast as I can. So this site looks great. It has a use case. People like this. People already like Cake. Let's look at their Telegram just to see what's going on there. 26,000 people in the Telegram. This thing is flying off the chains. First it had 7,000. Not too long ago, it had 4,000 holders, then 5,000, then 6,000, now 7,000 holders. PancakeTools, my friends, is blowing up. I really think this is a coin you may want to have in your portfolio. I know I'm not going to miss out on PancakeTools. I'm happy I was able to get you to understand what PancakeTools is and why I like it. If you like these types of calls, come to my live stream every single morning at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday at 11 a.m., and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. for the Bitcoin weekly candle close. That's 7 live streams a week. I also make this type of content daily. Not many channels make live streams and content in the same day. Also, if you like the call that I gave at 4 cents, where you could have sold at a 4x or still be in the trade at a 3x, I suggest you join my Patreon. $9 if you just made some good trades off my live streams and you want to throw me a bone. The $25 gets you access to my trading rooms. Join my regular trading room, and then I'll give you the links to all of my trading rooms. Those rooms include a charts and calls only, a room with just charts, no bicker, no banter, no nothing. All you have to do is go through there and see the calls that are given by me and my expert team of traders. Secondly, we have a beginner's room for people trying to figure out how to trade and how to begin this process, and we have admins there helping you every step of the way. Number 3, we have a Binance Smart Chain room showing you how to use Binance Smart Chain, hook up your MetaMask, and get down with the movement. Number 4, we have a Uniswap and pre-sales room that'll really show you the way. And there's so much more and so much interaction between everyone in my Telegram groups. You will have a blast. For $99, you get into all those groups, but you also get all my calls exactly when I buy and sell them. That group gets everything. I hold nothing back. I even show my whole portfolio down to the dollar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.